Hey everyone, is your iPhone locked with a screen passcode, lock to owner, or cloud activation lock links? How to remove permanently we will see live here, step by step with real demonstrations. Right now, as we see these devices locked to owner, or you can say stack on a cloud activation log line, asking enter the ID and password that were used to set up this device. We don't know what's the actual ID inside of it. So how to remove permanently, we will see here. So don't skip ahead. Every step is going to be very crucial, guys. What happens firstly, let's understand. Yes, it can be due to when you have attempted multiple times a screen wrong passcode, then automatically due to advanced security of iPhones, yes, it will stack on this lock to owner and it will ask you that activation lock that prevents anyone who is not the owner from using this device. Or enter the ID and password that were used to set up this device. We don't know what's the actual ID inside of this. So now, what's the easy solution that I will demonstrate you here to get rid of it? It can be happen sometimes also when you have the purchase a second-hand device and the previous owner who erase everything, then it will stack on these situations. Sometimes it may be a stolen, lost mode, reported device, blacklisted device. In this situation, firstly we will access by using iTunes and let's say configure it in the cloud database and Apple database. What's the saying? iTunes. If it is also saying to that this is locked to owner or cloud activation lock links, it is, then of course we will go for the further. Yes, activation lock is highlighted, so of course there is no doubt that this is locked to owner or that a stack on this cloud activations. Maybe due to any reason out of them. So let's fix it. Firstly, we will open a blob server. This tool reaccumulate all the data from the cloud database and the Apple database. So read it and we'll select the include the beta, specify IP announce, and here without making delay, we will hit this one. So this device can be rebooted multiple times here. Don't unplug and we will see that till it's not going to bring all the data or fetch all the data from say, the cloud database, then continue it would be especially rebooting. But here in a one time we have to go to an API announce successfully. So let's verify that data has been accumulated or not. Yes, this device came to my shop yesterday morning times, but right now at the especially at this time I'm trying to fix it. So let's see what's going to happen, guys. Here, see the cam on a hello screen, and now just we will click on it, and we will go for the manually to set up. And now let's check it out that this has been connected. Now we will go on a crash analysis, and now that we can see here that we can click to the finish, and now this work has been finished from especially the blob server was successfully rendered. These all data they came on here, so easily we can delete these all file have been deleted successfully. Now what we will do, guys, here next step is very simple, that we will go for real-time log after deleting these all files from the retaining cloud data or Apple database, especially the crash analysis that will wipe out the completed from the cloud retaining, no Apple data retaining, guys. So cloud retaining data, how do I clear? So because this is most probably of course linked to a cloud activation log link it is, so that's one also they will have to clear. And now see Apple retaining data, of course we had a clear. So this is a real-time log. It will wipe out the completely, that is from Safari history browser. When you browse with a particular ID, now see white screen is almost coming. So just make it pass to clear, guys. Here this one clear. So recent ones except everything would be clear. So now that we can come on here and see. Yes, once again we will refresh. Now it's a time to the open, that is a third tool. It is a amazing PC. Now we will clear all the cloud retaining or containing data. So just we will tap on it and here a little bit just on we will come on a show device control. Now it's a verifying so that maybe this data has been the linked and etc. So just we will this ID has been the linked or maybe a special anything. So just we will clear. We will refresh one more time. So fresh data would be attracted here. Clear. Keep clearing. Keep clearing, guys. Here we will have to cancel and go continue. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We will refresh. Fresh data would be attracted after 10 times. Keep clearing, guys. Keep clearing. Now see, almost the 20 times more than we have clear. So see, here we have on a 3U tool. Just we will have one REC mode. That's when we will have to oppose, guys, here this ones. And now here keep clearing. So this, so that we can see almost this cloud retaining data has been also cleared. So what we will do, we will close this ones and what we have now. This device is the game on a SPCL there. So we will come on a smart flash to we will tap on a firmware. In a firmware here we will check it out that what is the model. The model is a 10 series, so just we will go with especially these beta versions. So here is a green dot of this one. So 902 last one version, that is we will go for pros to go with these versions because we have elected the model. Now we will come easy flash. Here also we can download and from there also, and of course beta version you can also get it from the ipsw.beta.com. Now here it's a time to the open especially here. See, custom setup, we will select the quick flash mode. We will go for import options. We have capped on the desktops in this version similar. So C92 that's ones last ones I had already mentioned to you. Don't select the anti-recovery, don't select the fixed flash, don't select the retain user data without making delay. Of course we will hit this one. So now that we can see here clearly in each second we are going to audit that what kind of the error is going to happen and what's the reason, and yes, where it is having the any letters or a small or the big problem. Now guys, we will have to relax on the calms and let it complete this travel sort of at 100% because now it has started to restore the old days face alignment. Yes, new firmware that I had mentioned to you that how do you get and how do you especially execute too. Yes, go completely these issues. Now we have the rest on a 20 as we see here on a 20 percentage. But one thing more here I would like to tell you guys, when it is initiated, then just if it is possible then go for especially close the iTunes in this one so that we will have no any problem that yes, there will be no chances to have the errors because this will reduce more probability of error on your while proceeding with these things. When it crosses more than 30%, then of course you can especially disable or deselect of it, no problem at all. But right now, select to close iTunes so that yes, because while flashing, as we know that more probability that your device during the flashing can be restarted multiple times. So of course you will have to unplug. Yes, don't unplug. So don't disconnect the device, guys. Now, two more devices we will have to fix it today. So the little bit just waiting in the hurry to the fix of it because we will have to deliver also a speech line to customer that this device, and of course we have a two more also. Let's see what's going to happen. If any error comes, then of course I will demonstrate you that this can be reason, and this way you have to troubleshoot of it. Almost we can see one thing more also I would like to tell you here. These can be seen in ascending order sometimes, descending order sometimes. Yes, jumping order this can be seen, no problem at all. But one thing is a very crucial importance that you will have to use data cable, good quality. You should have second internet connection also because if there is a probability to movable of your, or if there is going to be a movement, of course, of your PC, laptops, or devices, then chances to a disconnection, and if there is going to be disconnections, then through tool is totally dependent on the whatever the data is having from, especially, or with the permission or the clearance of, especially, cloud retaining and the Apple data retaining. It will proceed further this, going with the special items in this beta version. So how do you elect the beta version that I have already mentioned to you? Go with the similar strategy, and don't space slam the script anything, so guys. Otherwise, as we know, the suddenly any error comes, then extra information you will lose. That how do you troubleshoot of that particular issues, guys? We have the rest on a space alignment. Put 6% let it cross space alignment. 50% is then we will deselect this one. So otherwise, let's just continue. Yes, two three precautions that we need to get up, or especially be ready to face. First is if yes any internet connection the problem comes suddenly, then immediately within 20 within especially 1 minute, yes, we'll have to go with the via hotspot or by any internet connections connecting your PC and let it go for continue of this, sending these all complete installations. Second things here, data cable that should be always good quality. And the third things that before executions, try to find out the sales area of any iPhones, because sometimes happens. Yes, suppose this phone belongs to a Swiss Lamb Hong Kong, and of course we are trying to the fix in Brazil. So what will happen, so guys, here? Precise location is not going to the match according to the sales area of a special device to a PC. So it will happen. But now that we have the rest on the 50%, so now that we can deselect this one, so no problem at all. Now there will no chances to have, especially or doing this flashing. So of course it will push to a reboot again and again. So now that we are ready, see here what's going to happen. Yes, the two three crucial steps that we will execute at the end of that we will proceed at the end of this tutorial, and exactly that's information is needed for you guys. So wait till this is not going to be complete at all. Almost especially 13 minutes we completed, so we will have to wait especially not 13 minutes, especially at least 20 minutes we will have, because all estimated times on the can be expected less than 25 minutes. It's totally dependent on a special elements. What's the model and how old it is. And the customer told me that this device they kept at his home, especially from 4 5 months. So let's see what's going to. We have the rest one 64% is now, and here we can see more than 85% we have the cross. Yes, there is no doubt that we can see here. So we are waiting, guys. Here that I hope so that there should be no any errors, because a little bit in the hurry right now. So related to all the information about his FaceTime and Gmails, uh, yes, guide that how to especially get back your Gmails spontaneously, of course, related to a operating system that yes, installations, various software entire the review spontaneously. Yes, operating system, PC, laptop, hardware, software, the everything's all the information related to that. Of course, we yeah giving on this channel, so don't forget to other channels related to also iPhones, MacBooks. So now see it has been completed. This as a saying to that congratulations, this has been completed. So it's a time to the come on a batch activation option. So when we will hit this one, what will happen, guys? This will escape the setting with the language, Wi-Fi, Face ID, Touch ID, Apple ID, Curse, and Cloud ID. everything would be a time screen passcode, iDevice, mobile management, locks, manage the, everything would be escapes. And if we are going to be able to escape it, then we can go inside easily. So within 30 seconds, we will have to execute this ones, guys, and hit this one. So now activating and the skipping pass both has been started to execute. Here is also initiated to the combat. So now it's the time to check it out that any error comes. We will wait here 1 to 2 minutes. If any error comes, then of course we will troubleshoot it. That I have already mentioned to you that by changing internet connection in your PC laptops, this can be fixed. In the rest of rare case, if it's not happens, then we'll customize the precise location that already mentions according to the sensory of device to a PC. And when we fix this issue, surely 100% in this error would be fixed. Now that we are waiting, let's hope so that any error comes, and then of course we will demonstrate to you live that this is the way that you can, this error can be especially troubleshoot. And now see a total estimated time here that can be expected 2 to especially 5 minutes. So we are waiting here. Sometimes within especially 1 minute is going to be totally dependent on the server clearance, especially from the cloud and Apple database. Now, still it is taking times, guys. No problem at all. So let's see what's going to happen there. Data cable, this is connected, and of course, and the clock was everything is completely, of course, fully functional right now. But however, see, it's taking a time, guys. No problem at all. Refresh to the operating system that should be more than 8 GB RAM so that it will work fantastically and fastly. Both has been there, especially successfully rendered. So now it's a time to the open, especially this one we will have to relax and go for it this one. Just asking, so we will have to wait at 10 seconds, guys. No problem at all. So we will select the language. On the other hand, of course, we will go for especially I'm setting the especially I'm zone, and here it has been highlighted. So executes this one. So this is completely done. Now it's the time to access by using iTunes that it is still linked to enable accounts and asking it to apply your password, or it's given a clearance in this and there is no retaining the previous links now, especially particular with these iPhones, guys. Now see, this device has given the clearance automatically, guys, without having the internet connection that we can see here. Now iTunes has also given the clearance, so yes, it has the welcomed as a new one. So of course, the customer can be the beneficiary as a new one on this device. Why? So connect to the internet with the sign into your device. Means there is no internet connection. This has been completely fixed. If we go on especially, yes, Face ID, Touch ID, everything's disabled. So now what we will do, guys? We can insert the SIM card. After inserting the SIM card, what we will do here? Just we will tap on that is a virtual locations. We will restore the true location. So whatever the location customizes your and things happens, especially the way you have the executed, this procedure can be applicable in all over the world, guys. So now we can see here, insert the SIM card if the network is not coming, and do a virtual locations to restore the true location. So that will restore your true location with your local network on your SIM card with device. Now it's just saying the waiting for activation. So of course it's asking that to try to create any Apple ID and whatever that, and that try to go with this ones. Because if you go in the setting, it will ask connect to the internet to assign it to. I haven't inserted the SIM card, but of course you can now, no problem at all. If the SIM card is invalid, everything would be fixed by tapping on this. This is all about, guys, in this tutorial, because further we will have to go for with another device. So yes, 2 3 devices today we will have to fix. So hi, this is Technology Fan. We'll be back with a step-by-step with new tutorial. So please don't forget to join this channel, and of course any comes from the query and the confusions, blindly drop the query in the comment box. So plus would you manage to reply your query, and this came directly on a home screen, guys, not a stack on the cloud activations after rebooting and restoring the true location. So this is permanent fixation, guys, and you will get rid of it permanently from the cloud data. Yes, a lock to owner or the cloud activation log link. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.